And we have one more cigar box. This is a larger and flatter one. It has some lovely wrapping paper on it that I Mod Podged on it. It has some beautiful little, well, maybe not beautiful, but cute horse-themed little legs. It has some of the original cigar box stickers left on it. And on the inside, we can see how beautiful this box is. It has the original lining from the cigar box to conserve some of the history. It has one of my own designs for a coaster. It has a hand-pulled linoleum block print of a little chunky little bird that I made based off a friend's photo. A hand-drawn little cover for field notes. This was just a quick ink drawing that you might enjoy. And I also put in a bar of pine scented soap. So it's a nice little box and it's auctioned off for a good cause. And I hope you'll like it enough to help out. Thanks for watching. Oh, and it will come with this professionally printed canvas tote. There you go.